So here we have a bus without. Let me see that brake, Ken. Ken, let me see the brake. Here's the brake.
See,
right
it's
here.
missing a pin.
Right, the brake is falling out. Here's the brake. It's being held by interlock, but he cannot start the bus. Now, what do you do? Yeah, turn on the power. We're gonna try. Yeah, turn on the power.
Okay.
We're gonna try. Yeah, hit that thing.
Nope.
Do you have the power on inside there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, now try it.
The dispatch is going to be kind of pissed off and he's doing bus off.
Well, it cut a fart.
Sounds good.
It almost did it. Well, that's our skill. That's about as much. Here, take your brake.
That's the best I can do.
That's about as much as we know.
Yeah,
Now he can't get in the bus either.
Go home.
Here we go. Another TriMet Finest 2900.